How do men want to be loved? So quick side note real quick. The reason I love YouTube is people like me literally spend all day, every day just reading books. And then my job is to give you a full book in like a minute and a half so you don't have to read the book because you're doing other awesome stuff. So that is my goal today. So how men want to be loved. Some of you have heard of The 5 Love Languages by Gary Chapman. I love this book. It's very interesting. And today we're going to talk about it. And I'm going to give it to you in a few minutes so you don't have to read the whole darn thing. So isn't that awesome? So you can go be a marketing expert, a dentist, a doctor, a lawyer, whatever you are doing, you focus on that. I'm going to focus on love, and we're still going to get you great results. Boom! All right, so how men want to be loved. There's 5 love languages. So here we go. Words of appreciation, touch, acts of service, quality time, and gifts. So what this means is the 5 love languages, what they're talking about is typically each person wants to receive love and give love in a different way. So for a man or for either sex, usually you have one primary and maybe a secondary. And then of course we all like all 5 love languages. Who wouldn't love all these things? But you have one primary, one secondary. For example, a lot of you already know this about me, but I am a words of appreciation person. So that means if you go in the comments and say, Mike, I freaking love this video. You are the greatest thing that ever happened. I'm like, yes, and I feel loved. And I'm like, best day ever. Thank you. Mwah, mwah, mwah. That is awesome. And then for someone else that wants gifts, you know, that might not be something big. That could be you buy a bottle of wine. You know, he had a tough day. You buy him liquor. You know, he was talking about wanting this pen. You buy him a pen. That's gifts. Acts of service. Maybe the person's busy. You cook them dinner or you help them, you give them a ride somewhere. Acts of service. Beautiful. Quality time. Maybe the person experiences love just by setting up time to spend with each other. For example, my girlfriend is huge quality time. Well, guess what? This Friday, I set us dinner reservations, and I'm going to be focused in like a laser on her, and I'm going to make her feel love and make like I have no one else in the room, and all I care about is her. And that's going to be beautiful. And so those are the 5 love languages. I forgot which ones I didn't give an example on. Touch. Touch. So touch is obviously someone likes to be touched. Maybe it's hugging all the time. Maybe it's holding hands. Boom. So what is cool about this and why you don't need to read it anymore is all you got to do is go to your partner and ask them, hey, which one are you of these 5? So now you know how to show them love. And not just because they are, you know, whatever they are, doesn't mean you have to be that too. So then you can tell them, well, I am, you know, this one and that one. So very cool stuff. I love it because it makes things simple and it makes sense. Obviously, not everyone wants to give and receive love the same way. So absolutely fabulous. So make it happen. Give and receive love. It's going to be beautiful. Love it. All right, guys, if you like this video, hit like. You're fabulous. If you want to join the Team Easy Dating, hit subscribe. A new video every Tuesday. And as always, I love you guys, and we will see you next Tuesday. Bye.